everyone, tonight I'll be making hamburger mushroom bake. What all goes into the hamburger mushroom bake? 1.5 pounds lean ground beef, 2 teaspoons crushed garlic. I'll be using the already minced, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 8-ounce cream cheese, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup chopped green onions, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 pound mushrooms, 1/2 teaspoon seasoning salt, 1 teaspoon dried parsley, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 4 slices bacon, cooked crisp and chopped. I'll just be using this microwave bacon. And 1 cup grated Swiss or mozzarella cheese. I'm going to be using provolone and mozzarella blend. So let's begin. So take a large pan over medium heat. Put in your 1.5 pounds of the lean ground beef and the 2 teaspoons of garlic, the 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I'm only going to be using 1 teaspoon of salt, and the 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And stir that until it is brown. Preheat oven to 350. All right, so the hamburger is browned. We'll just shut off the burner and set it aside. Next, take a food processor. I have my Ninja blender, and put in your 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then process that. And then add the eggs one at a time. And blend that until well incorporated. Then pour the egg and cream cheese mixture over the ground beef mixture. Stir that until well combined. And stir in the 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. Then take a 2-quart casserole and pour that hamburger mixture into the casserole dish and press it down and set it aside. Take a frying pan, medium heat, add your butter, dump in your 1 pound of mushrooms. I think I have a little bit more than that. And just cook these until they're softened and turning brown. So they're turning a little bit brown. I'm going to add the 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and I use Mrs. Dash, the 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and the 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So continue to stir these until the seasonings are combined with the mushrooms and the mushrooms are softened. So take your mushrooms, put them on top of your ground beef mixture. Kind of spread them out so they're totally covered. Next, we'll take our 4 crumbled up pieces of bacon. I actually use 6 because I like bacon. Then take your 1 cup of the grated cheese. It calls for Swiss or mozzarella, and I'm using provolone mozzarella mix. You can use whatever cheese you like, and you can use more or less. So take your hamburger mushroom bake, put it in a 350-degree preheated oven for 25 minutes or until it's set and cheese is melted. So here is the hamburger mushroom bake. Rounding out the meal is sweet peas, and I added the leftover bacon and a dinner roll. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It smells like some kind of hash or something.
It's hamburger mushroom bake.
It looks different. Got a little piece of the cheese with it that time. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.